Good afternoon. Welcome to Government 2 Class. We'll be looking at reasons for the colonization of Africa. In our preliminary class, we discussed colonization of Africa. Then we also defined the concept of colonization. So we'll be looking at the reasons why the colonial masters came to invade the virgin land of Africa. One, we have what we call economic factor. Economic factor was one of the reasons why the colonialists or the Europeans came into Africa to invade the land. Under the economic factor, we have the quest for raw materials. For raw materials. Raw materials in the sense that during the Industrial Revolution that took place in Great Britain, industries, firms were built, and these firms or industry needed raw materials for production. So because of the quest or the urgent need for raw materials, they came to invade the land of Africa. The other reason under the economy, we have what we call markets. They also need markets where they could sell their products, because after manufacture of a particular product or production of a particular product, the next thing is the urgent consumers. So they believe that they need to invade the land of Africa where they could get markets. So that was one of the reason why they came to invade the land of Africa under economic factor. Then the third reason is because of surplus investments. So according to the German leader at that time, Otto von Bismarck, he believed that African or the colonized territories are made for investment. So, and that's why during Lord Frederick Lugard always made us to understand that he usually retained $12 every month as income to Britain. So it means that in Africa, the colonial masters came to invest their resources, their money. Then we also have what we call civilization. So the coming of the colonial master, to their myopic knowledge, is that Africa was not civilized, or the people of Africa were not civilized. So they believe that African people live a primitive lifestyle. So there's a need to civilize them. So they decided to come and they colonized Africa and they introduced their lifestyle, their way of life, their culture, their food, their dress, all this embedded under what we call civilization of Africa. So they believe that they ought to make us come up to standard of the universe, immediately after the Industrial Revolution of the 19th century that took place in Great Britain. The other reason for the colonization of Africa is what we refer to as religious factor. Religious factor. So they believe that our religion is barbaric, because before the coming of the colonial master, and they claim that Mary Slessor stopped the killing of twins in Calabar, and this formed a part of the African tradition. So they believe that African culture is wicked and it is uncalled for. So they decided to do what? Came to Africa and then colonized Africa and introduced their religion to us. So as a matter of fact, Islamic religion and Christian religion, we are foreign religion in the land of Africa. So In our next class, we'll be looking at the concept of nationalism. Thank you.